Hello children, welcome back to my class. So today I am gonna explain you first lesson notebook part. So you have to write in the 4-rule notebook classwork one side and on pin page the homework side, okay? So classwork side you have to write the first lesson smile, S-M-I-L-E, smile, words for practice. Now first one, A-U-G-U-S-T-U-S, Augustus. Repeat after me, Augustus. Second, stretch, S-T-R-E-T-C-H, stretch, stretch. Third, S-E-T-O-F-F, set off, set off. Fourth, C-L-I-M-B-E-D, climbed, climbed. Fifth, mountain, M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N, mountain, mountain. Children, if I have written small letter, you have to write small letter only. You should not write capital letter. Already I have explained you the difference between common noun and a proper noun. Proper noun means capital letters and particular name of a person. That's why I have written capital A here, Augustus, name of an animal. So that's why I have written capital. Here set of climbed mountain is mountain. Which name of the mountain we don't know. So that's why I have written small m here. Next, surged, S-E-A-R-C-H-E-D, surged. Seventh one, S-N-O-W, snow, snow. Eighth, puddles, P-U-D-D-L-E-S, puddles, puddles. Ninth, D-E-S-E-R-T, desert, desert, desert. Tenth one, B-U-S-H-E-S, bushes, bushes. Okay? This is the words for practice. Now let us go for answer these questions. First one, he did a huge tiger stretch and set off to find it. What did Augustus set off to find? Answer, he set off, S-E-T-O-F-F, off, set off to find, F-I-N-D, find his lost smile, L-O-S-T, lost, S-M-I-L-E, smile. He set off to find his lost smile. Next, which places did Augustus visit on journey? J-O-U-R-N-E-Y, journey. Answer, on his journey. O capital I have written, starting letter should be capitals, okay? On his journey, Augustus, A-U-G-U-S-T-U-S, Augustus visited, V-I-S-I-T-E-D, visited, a cluster, C-L-U-S-T-E-R, cluster of bushes, B-U-S-H-E-S, bushes. The top of a tree, T-R-E-E, tree. A high mountain, H-I-G-H, high, M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N, mountain. A high mountain. A deep sea, D-E-E-P, deep, S-E-A-C, deep sea. And a desert, D-E-S-E-R-T, desert. Okay. Next, third question. Why could Augustus not see his smile? Answer. Augustus, A-U-G-U-S-T-U-S, Augustus could not, C-O-U-L-D, could, N-O-T, not, could not see, S-E-E-C, his smile, S-M-I-L-E, smile, because, B-E-C-A-U-S-E, because, it is not because it was below, B-E-L-O-W, below his nose, N-O-S-E, nose, on his face, F-A-C-E, face. Next, fourth question. When did Augustus start to dance and race? D-A-N-C-E, dance, and R-A-C-E, race. Answer. Augustus started, S-T-A-R-T-E-D, started to dance, D-A-N-C-E, dance, and race, R-A-C-E, race, when, W-H-E-N, when it started, S-T-A-R-T-E-D, started to rain, R-A-I-N, rain, suddenly, S-U-D-D-E-N-L-Y, suddenly. Augustus started to dance and race when it started to rain suddenly. Okay. Then afterwards, one gramophone activity. This is related to common and proper nouns. The common nouns you have to color in pink. Use only crayons or color pencils. Proper nouns, green color you have to use. Don't use sketches, okay? Now, I have written here teacher. Teacher is a common noun. What is the name of a teacher? We don't know. So, that's why it is a common noun and that is in pink color. Next, Tahura. Tahura is a name of a particular girl. So, T capital and that is proper noun. That's why I have colored in a green. Next, desk. Which desk? I don't know. So, that's why it is a common noun and that is in pink color. Next, June. J capital and it is the name of the month. June. So, proper noun, green color. Boy. No particular name of a boy. So, that's why it is a common noun and it is in pink color. Monday. Name of a day. So, M capital, proper noun. Okay. So, that's it. Our first lesson has been completed. So, please write it down neatly, clearly, without spelling mistakes and do practice the words which are difficult for you and start going to learn these answers as well. Okay, children? Now, let's start our first workbook worksheet part. Fun in the rain. Fun is nothing but enjoying in the rain. So, do you enjoy the rain? Yes, everyone loves the enjoying in the rain. So, here one boy. Let us see the story. Pitter patter, pitter patter. Nothing but the rain sound is pitter patter, pitter patter. I want to go outside and play, Ma, said Rita. One girl name is Rita. She is saying to her mother that, Mama, I want to go outside and play. When will it stop raining? She is saying to mother, when it will stop raining? Then mother is saying, I am sure it will stop soon. Come, help me make some cookies, said mother. Mother said to Rita that it will be stopped soon. So, till the time you come to me and help me in making some cookies. But Rita did not want to make cookies. She wanted to go outside and play. She don't want to help her mother in making cookies. She wanted to go outside and play. Then mother suddenly had an idea. Mother got an idea. Rita, why don't you go upstairs and put on your rubber boots, your raincoat and the rain hat? Rita's mother is saying that, why don't you go upstairs? Upstairs is nothing but the first floor. Why don't you go to first floor and bring your rubber boots, your raincoat and hat? She said. Then has it stopped raining? Said Rita. Rita said to her mother, did it stop raining? No, but won't you like to play in the rain? Mother asked. Mother is saying, but no, it did not stop. But don't you want to play in the rain? Rita laughed and said, yes, I want to play. Then Rita ran to her bedroom. She put on her red rubber boots, slipped on her red raincoat and wore her red rain hat. Then she started wearing and she came downstairs. I'm ready, Ma, she said. Mother opened the door and said, go, have fun. Now are you ready? Okay, so open the door and play outside. Mother watched Rita playing in the rain and jumping in the puddles. She was having so much fun. So Rita enjoyed a lot. Now based on this paragraph, you have to write the answers. Okay? So that will be explained in the next video. Till that time, you go through this passage and learn. So take care. Bye-bye.